Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook app's language. Now let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook app. After this, tap on the three horizontal line, then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. In here, if you scroll down, you can find language and region. Tap on here, and then if you want to change your language for buttons, titles and other text from Facebook, tap on here. Then you guys can see mine is right now selected as device language. Then you guys can see this. If you tap on the language, then you can select the language as your Facebook app's language. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.